Hello friends, I think you are all having your best time and taking the best preparation for the upcoming exams. Today's class will be about preposition for the SSC CGL competitive exams. We all know that prepositions are very important and given regularly in the exams. So kindly keep watching my videos, subscribe to my channels and press the notification bell icon for more videos. So here is my class that I am going to start. Kindly keep concentrating on the class. Question A. The boss didn't punish him for coming late. He must be dash his good books. Option A in, option B into, option C inside, option D onto. So you all should know that there is a phrase called in his good books, means in his favor, in his good eye. So the right answer will be here in. Why am I going to use in? It's a different question. So follow my videos regularly. In my videos, while I will try to analyze the causes behind prepositions, I will certainly discuss why am I going to use in. But for this class, you should always take it into account that in his good book is a very nice idiomatic phrase, means in the good eye of someone else. So the right answer will be in. So if you do not know this, kindly you should know it for a better knowledge. And if you have any queries regarding this preposition session, drop your comments in the comment box. I will certainly try to answer your questions. So here is my next question. Do you take pride? Questions. Option A in, option B at, option C about, option D off. I should mention one thing here. Pride has a dual role in English, either as preposition, either as noun, either as noun or as verb. Here it is functioning as verb, while it is not functioning. Here it is functioning as noun, not verb. But in case of functioning as verb, generally we use the preposition on. But while functioning as noun, generally in is used. While it is functioning as noun, as do is the auxiliary verb, you is the subject, take is the main verb. This means it is the noun in nature. So while using pride as noun instead of on or any other preposition, we generally use in. So the right answer will be in. Okay. Again I am repeating, pride has a dual role in English, first as noun, second as verb, or first as verb, second as noun. When using or while using pride as noun, in is generally used. While using pride as verb, on its general use. Okay, so if you do not understand what I have told, kindly drop your misunderstanding, drop your doubt in the comment box. I will certainly clarify your doubt. I will certainly clear your doubt. So here is my next questions. My father was bad temper as he suffering a lot. Option A of, option B at, option C in, option D into. So my father was dashed. So what will be the answer? In will be the answer. Why in? If you want to know the reasons, kindly follow my videos regularly. While uploading series on preposition, I will discuss the reason. But here, in short, I should say, in is also functioning here as three-dimensional preposition in abstract nature or abstract in nature. Three-dimensional preposition on the abstract scale. So we are going to use in. It is not about that fixing someone to something else. Okay, so if you do not understand what the three-dimensional use is, kindly drop your queries in the comment box. I will certainly answer your questions. I will certainly let you know what is what about the three-dimensional use of prepositions. So kindly keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channels and press the notification bell icon for more such videos. So here is my next questions. There is some dispute dash property as the owner died without making any will. Option A in, option B on, option C over, option D about. Be careful when such options say they are on, over, about. It is always better to use over, as over always puts extra emphasis on the meaning of the sentence. So there is some dispute over property as the owner died without making any. This will be the perfect answer. If over is not there, in that case on will be the answer. But in the presence of over, you cannot choose on in these questions. Okay, so when over is there, you have to select this option, option C. This means over. Okay, so if you do not understand what I am going to tell or what I have told just now, kindly clear your doubts by making comments in the comment box. So this is my last question for the class. Follow my class regularly and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. The film Three Idiots was based dash and engineers real life experience. Option A about, option B at, option C on, option D in. The question is like this. So before answering the question, you all should know that on is also called the preposition of dependency. Again I am reporting, on is called the preposition of dependency. Dependency. This means we are depending on someone else. So here the film in 3 Idiots is particularly depending on the life experience of an engineer. So here the answer will be on. Okay, on as preposition of dependency. If you do not understand my explanation, kindly drop your queries in the comment box. So this is my class for the day, my students. Soon I will upload more and more videos by taking more and more classes for you. Till then, have a very nice day.